I have another wig to show you, and this one, it's gorgeous. I am super excited about this beauty. Oh my goodness. This one brings a tear to the eye because it is so flipping gorgeous. Okay, Wigshe, you nailed this one, and I don't even have it on yet. This is wig number 79. It's 100% real Remy hair. It's 18 inches long, 120% density, which is perfect. It's more natural. It gives you enough without feeling wiggy. It has this invisible lace that I'll be cutting. And make sure whatever wig you choose that use Terri 10 to get 10% off of your order in whichever beautiful alternative hair that you choose. Wait a minute, something feels off. No, I'll be back. Now this feels more fitting for this old Hollywood glam. So let me cut the lace real quick because I cannot wait to put her on. Going to come along here close, but not right up to the edge. I'm not going to make it perfectly straight. I'm just going to kind of follow close to the hairline. Leaving just a little bit so our knots of hair don't come undone. So as you can see, it's a lace front cap, and it has a really nice wide mono part to where you could put it a little on the side if you want. It comes naturally kind of parted in the middle, but you have a lot of leeway to do side parts also. It comes with the little barrette combs at the top and side. It has this comb at the crown and then another one at the nape of the neck. You can leave those, you can take them off. And then it has a strap, which I never find that I need. It's an average cat size, and Wigshe wigs fit me like a glove, and so that's never an issue for me. You have it there if you need it. On the website, it is called Beautiful Copper Blonde Balayage Wavy Human Hair Invisible Lace Wig. And the pictures that are on the site, to me, look maybe a little dab blonder, and this one in person has a little more coppery red. It's beautiful on the website, but honestly, I feel like it's even more beautiful in person. I can see a lot of dimension to it where they have highlights and lowlights. It looks very professional and beautiful, really well done. It's all one length. It is not layered, and it could not be more gorgeous. And I wish you could see it in person because it's pretty on camera and it is stunning in person. It has lightly bleached knots, which is gentler on the hair. This is so well done. It is free shipping, and they do take custom orders too. So if you have something very particular in mind, maybe your own natural hair, then they do work with you for that. So let's get this beauty on. These are amazing if you don't have one, not only for keeping your own hair back, but also for being the grip so your wig does not slide around whatsoever. I start kind of at the nape of my neck. Oh my goodness. Pull it down to where it's supposed to be. This is like starlet level. When I envision the perfect red hair, like a supermodel's hair, the best kind of ginger, just stunningly beautiful, this is the kind of coloring, and I could not have dreamed up anything better. They like to say that blondes have more fun, but I feel like with a fiery red, I feel like you feel extra hot in a coppery, beautiful red color. But my goodness, stunning. It's just perfect. They have styled it beautifully, perfectly. I think she looks amazing. Something that I do with all wigs when I first get them and put them on is to put a little styling cream or gel or mousse and kind of pull it back from my face because it's been in a box for a couple weeks, and this will help to kind of smooth it away from your face and handle any flyaways you may have. Them calling this lace invisible lace is so accurate. I am blown away right now, which is really, really incredible. I've not put makeup or anything on her. I can't even see the lace in person. You can pull it back. You could do this in an updo. So it is real hair. It feels like real hair, but better. A lot of times with toppers and wigs, they can be very coarse, which I like because it's like young, thick, good hair. This is still thick hair. It does have great thick texture to it, but it's not super coarse. It's not acting or looking wiggy. It's just so pretty. You can order it in different lengths, but I think this one is perfection. I love synthetic wigs and I love human hair wigs. And one of the great benefits about human hair wigs is that they're really easy to style because it's just like your hair. Sometimes with synthetic wigs, it can take a little extra effort to get the curl going. I don't want to brush out my curls, but I'm just gonna kind of brush the bottom to soften it just a little. Like, no one has this good of hair. Maybe like 0.5% of the population naturally has this beautiful of hair, and they are all in their teens and 20s, maybe their 30s. If you are in your 50s, your hair doesn't look like this. This is like 18-year-old hair. This is not like nearly 53-year-old hair. And I'm in love. I am falling more and more in love with wigs. And if you are also a girly who has struggled with hair loss, whether that be from cancer, from alopecia, whatever it is, to see wigs look and feel this beautiful, that make you feel this pretty and this good. This is unplanned. It's remarkable and I love it. And if you are looking for a coppery look too, I know you'll love it too. There's nothing more that you could ask for and hope for than a gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful, perfect hair wig like this. So thank you, Wigshe. You nailed it.